from the First Coast News Weather Team, sponsored by AC Designs.
Good evening, everybody. We have got changes on the way, all right? And briefly, a cool down. It's going to be nice and refreshing. Here is your next big front, gearing up just south and east of St. Louis, a line that will cross over the Mississippi River. Now putting the layers on, showing where severe weather is happening right now with severe thunderstorm watches, warnings, and even a couple of tornado warnings now in northern Alabama. So getting some spin ups here in an area that's several hundred miles away from Jacksonville. So we'll see how the strength of this continues as it makes its way towards northeast Florida and southeast Georgia. Right now, the risk of tornadic or severe is rather low, though we will see some gusty winds associated with this storm system coming through Friday and into Saturday, and those temperatures will drop behind the front. For now, though, clear skies. Actually might get a pretty good view of the SpaceX launch trying again this evening here. 12:30-ish, so we'll be looking if you're going to stay up late and watch. Next 12 hours across Jacksonville, mentioning the clear conditions, just a few wispy clouds out there. We're waking up in the morning, already going to be around 83, 84 degrees just around lunch and a little after. Still making that battle. Here's your cold front. You can see it pretty clearly. As mentioned, that line across St. Louis. You get the cooler air back towards Kansas, Wyoming, and for us, we got the warmer quadrant of the country. High pressure going to lose out eventually in this battle. It has been in control. High pressure, the fair weather pressure. It prevents or at least inhibits the development of any thunderstorm activity. Usually keeps things pretty sunny, keeps things pretty hot, but that will push more towards the south as the front makes its way here. So we're going through Thursday. This is a look at the wind conditions. So anywhere you see that red, we could get gusts near 40 or higher as this front makes its way through. So this is Friday afternoon. Notice where that would be the highest chance of seeing those strong gusty winds, maybe severe winds, would be in southeast Georgia through Friday afternoon. Then we get pretty steady winds here for Jacksonville. Notice this isn't in the red or really the yellow, but these blue colors can be 15, 20, 25 mile an hour sustained winds. As far as our rain goes, we're going into Thursday to Friday. The line really thins out, and this has been the trend over and over and over again for these cold fronts that come through. We need the rain desperately because Friday will be a bit of a fire watch sort of day as far as wildfire is concerned with the wind and the low relative humidities. Thursday, we're still up to 88 degrees, another record possible, warm on the beach. And looking ahead to our 7-day forecast. So Friday, the 40% chance, a little bit better chance of seeing some more showers for us on Saturday. Sunday, we drop them a bit, but we also drop the temperatures as that front comes through.